When should you use JavaScript BigInt over Number? Imagine working on a project where you need to handle really large numbers. Maybe you're doing cryptography or managing huge database keys. You might wonder if the standard way JavaScript handles numbers is enough. Well, let's explore when BigInt becomes your best friend. JavaScript has a primitive data type called number that uses a 64-bit floating point format. This means it can safely store integers only up to about 9 quadrillion, specifically 9,7,199,250 for 1,740,991. If you go beyond this, the number type can start losing precision, which can cause errors in calculations. For example, adding 1 to 9 quadrillion 7,199,250 for 1,740,991 might not give you the expected 9 quadrillion 7,199,250 for 1,740,992. Now, BigInt is a different primitive data type designed to handle very large integers. It can represent numbers of any size, limited only by your computer's memory. This makes BigInt perfect for situations where you need exact values for numbers larger than the safe limit of the number type. For example, if you're working with cryptographic keys or large financial figures, BigInt ensures your calculations stay precise. But remember, BigInt only works with whole numbers. It cannot handle decimal or fractional values. If your project involves calculations with fractions or decimals, sticking with number is the way to go. Also, BigInt operations are generally slower than number because they are processed in software, not hardware. So, if speed matters and your numbers are within the safe range, number is usually better. Another thing to keep in mind is that BigInt and number cannot be mixed directly in calculations. You need to convert between them explicitly. For example, if you have a BigInt and a number, you must convert the number to BigInt or vice versa before doing math. Use BigInt when you need to work with integers larger than 9 quadrillion 7,199,250 for 1,740,991, or when you need exact precision for very large numbers. This is especially important in fields like cryptography, large-scale data processing, or when handling unique identifiers that go beyond the safe integer limit. For everyday calculations involving small or moderate numbers, or when decimals are involved, number is still your best choice. To create a BigInt, you can add an n at the end of an integer, like 123n, or use the BigInt constructor, like BigInt 123. This makes it easy to switch between data types depending on your needs. So, in summary, choose number for most day-to-day calculations within its safe range, and switch to BigInt whenever you need to handle very large integers with full accuracy. This way, you avoid errors and keep your calculations correct, no matter how big the numbers get.